Hey guys, Rob here. AMC had a really rough day today. GameStop also did have a very rough day as well, guys. But like I have said in my past videos, red days really help us appreciate the green days. And am I concerned right now about AMC? No, I am not concerned about AMC at all, because ask yourself this question: have the shorts covered? Well, I know the answer to that question is no. The shorts have not covered, guys, at all. So we are just seeing the shorts do what the shorts do, and that is short the stock to know tomorrow, because it's gone beyond a logical play, and now this is an ego play. But if you guys can, do me a huge favor, drop a like down on this video, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you ring that bell for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out a lot, guys. Also, if you are looking for a wonderful trading community to join, Penthouse Stocks is a great Discord community. The link is below in the description. You can join as an exclusive member. Use the code FinTech to receive 20% off for your first month. And honestly, guys, I am an exclusive member, and I've made my membership fee back on a single play alone, and it's so worth it in my personal opinion. If you want to just join the Discord and take a look at the profits that we've made from the plays, there's a screenshot profits channel that is publicly available, so you guys can see all the profits made from the alerts that we have followed. But let's dive on in and take a look at this really ugly chart. Oh god. AMC finished down at 45.07 for today. And the thing that I really want to point out here right away is we had a nice essential rip here, moving upwards towards that $50 target, but we quickly saw a short wave come in, followed by another short wave. And this is, in my personal opinion, the shorts looking for stop loss hunt, essentially stop loss hunting, triggering as many stop losses as they can to push the stock down even further, because people do set stop losses on their shares. And ever since we've really gotten below that 53 3/4 channel, it has been a very difficult time getting back above it. Now, the huge thing that I love to see here is the apes bought the dip, because we're apes, we're going to buy the dip, and we're going to hodl because we know the shorts haven't covered. I'm not concerned about this at all, and this is a very juicy discount in my personal opinion, guys. And we ran all the way up here to $46, and then we got pushed back down slowly to 45.07. And the thing that I really want to talk about, guys, is think about this logically. Has anything fundamentally really changed about this stock to cause the price to drop 10% in a day? No, this is the shorts coming out and pushing it down, because like I said yesterday in my video, they're bleeding money out of their butts because they are so far down in their positions, and they know that they have to essentially settle these, well, my bad, market makers have to settle these FTDs. The shorts are underneath water. There is definitely something going on here on the back end that we don't know about, guys, because why would they do so much money and sink so much money into this? Because they know us apes will just buy the dip and hodl. And that is exactly what I am doing. I bought 10 more shares today, and I am holding on for dear life, because I know we're going to the moon eventually, guys. And this thing can still absolutely squeeze, because we will take a look at the Ortex volume today. Now, zooming out here, the 1 month, 1 hour chart, I highlighted this descending level of resistance yesterday, and I still stand very firm with this, is we need to get back above this descending level of resistance and start a new trend. We have broken down below channels before, and we've broken back above them, so this is something that definitely can be very easily be done. But more on a macro time scale that I want to take a look at here is we had our nice rip here all the way up to $77.26. And if you do a Fibonacci retracement, our 50% retracement point from our high is sitting at 42.39. So even if we touch 42.39, we've only pulled back 50%, guys, which is honestly healthy for a stock to do. I was really, really shocked when we only pulled back here. What was it? Right here, to around 50%, and then we had a nice bounce back up. And like, the thing is, I definitely believe this can still squeeze. That's just me, guys. Remember, practice risk management on your own. You guys are your own investors. I'm not investing the money for you, so you know exactly how much risk tolerance you can have. Now, when we take a look here at the year, Now, when we take a look here at the year-to-date time frame, guys, the scoreboard still says we are absolutely winning. Yes, we are around a 50% pullback, and honestly, that is perfectly fine if we pull back 50%, because if we can consolidate at this level, AMC has still never been at $42.39 prior to our most recent run-up. So it would be perfectly fine to consolidate at this level and proceed to run up again. Now, the thing that I really want to talk about and what makes me so bullish still on AMC is if we take a look here in the options chain at the January 21st, 2022 strike and take a look at the $145 strike. 5,169 contracts were traded at this strike today alone, guys. For the average price was, let's say, around the mid price was $675. So if we pull up our calculator here, so $675, because keep in mind, this is 100 shares that you're playing with leverage, $675, and if we multiply that by 5,169, that's over $3.4 million that was traded at this strike alone, guys. If people were thinking this thing was far from over, $3.4 million would not be investing in a strike for next year. That's just my personal opinion. But if we go over here and take a look at the Ortex data, we can see the short increase percentage today was huge. 4.41%, 6.11 million shares were borrowed today, guys. 4.21 million shares as a borrowed change. Our short interest or free float is sitting at 19.04%. Current estimated short interest sitting around 97.42 million shares. And if we put our estimated short interest on here, free float on loan, we are all seeing the trend is still going up, guys. I would not be surprised tomorrow when we get the update that our shares on loan right here is almost approaching 100 million shares, which is a lot of shares. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is the New York Stock Exchange Threshold Securities List. I really don't know exactly what's going to happen when this 13-day window is up, which is supposed to be on tomorrow, actually my birthday, and we might see something happen on Friday. But keep in mind, GameStop was on this list for pretty much a whole entire month before we really saw something happen. So do not put a lot of weight on tomorrow's date, and really don't put a lot of weight on this at all in general. This is just another thing that add to our DD. We are still on this list as of yesterday. I would not be surprised if we're on the list today. Now, taking a look here at Stocko Tracker, we have 11,309 calls currently in the money. At $50, we put another 16,000 calls in the money. The huge thing that we can see is that there was a lot of short ETFs taken out today. The lowest that I see on here was 25,906. We currently have 27,488. So I would not be surprised if we had short ETFs, we had puts, we had short shares of AMC, and I'm going to even say it myself, I wouldn't be surprised if there's some naked shorts being thrown in here because they're throwing everything that they can to push this stock down, because they know that crap is about to hit the fan and they're doing everything they can to save their arses, in my personal opinion. That's just me, guys. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But when you take a look at the short interest, the dramatic increase today, you take a look at this, you see that there's 67,690 puts that are currently in the money. If we take a look here at Webull, speaking about Webull, you can get 2 free stocks joining Webull, one when your account is approved, the other when you deposit $100 on the platform, and those 2 free stocks can be valued anywhere between $8 and $2,000. I also do get a free stock as well because you did use my referral code. Anytime that I get free stocks, I essentially just sell them and buy shares of AMC, because pretty much AMC, in my opinion right now, is a high yield savings account. That's just me. But when we take a look here at the options chain for this week and really take a look, where are a lot of these puts? $45. I pointed this strike out before. 17,189 puts are open here at the $45 strike, and 44,805 of them were traded today alone, guys. This is the exact reason why we are seeing so much downward pressure on the stock. Here at $40, another 16,656 puts are currently open and out of the money. 53,343 of them were traded alone. So we are seeing an immense amount of short volume being pushed down on the stock through the options chain, through short shares of AMC, and through short ETFs. The thing that I want to leave you guys with is Black Widow sets sights on record pandemic opening as advanced sales tickets. I cannot get this out of my mouth. As advanced ticket sales soar. Currently, estimates suggest the film will tally around 80 million and 110 million in the box office receipts. That is insane. That is beating F9 numbers. And keep in mind, AMC is also broadcasting the Poirier versus McGregor fight for $25 a ticket versus paying $70 for the pay-per-view this weekend. Fast and Furious 9, Black Widow, Poirier. This weekend, the positive news catalyst cannot keep coming out. I don't see anything negative. The 25 million share dilution was taken off the table. My personal opinion, guys, this is just shorts being shorts, and they're going to continue shorting the stock because they know they're losing money out of their yin yang, and if they don't, and they're eventually going to be forced to cover. Keep in mind, 13 days is tomorrow. The market makers are supposed to buy back all their shares. It's not going to be hedge funds. It's going to be the market makers, aka prime brokers, that will have to buy these shares back. We may see something Friday, but don't expect anything, guys. It is a possibility, and I want to bring it up, but don't expect anything at all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.